Hello everyone, it's another Terrence React. Now for this video, I like to go news. So I never seen about this before because this one is kind of a little bit of shortness about it's 4 seconds. So yeah, maybe doesn't know sense about this for you or something like that. Not so much. So yeah, let's find out what it is. Select my sketch out things and sit back to which the next one should stay with this go.
Oh my god, you like sneeze glitter.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow, that was pretty good about Bernardino. Especially about the shortness for Leo or something like a Rainbow Dash in Twilight Sparkle, but it's actually making so excellent to transfer. So we describe it all during the emergency discoveries right in the sun. Goodbye.